We'll guide you through how to humanize ChatGPT text. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the ChatGPT website and make sure you're logged in. Once you're there, you'll want to start by clearly defining the tone and style you're aiming for. This is crucial as it sets the framework for how your text will be generated. You can do this by including specific instructions in your prompt, like saying, write in a friendly and conversational style, or use casual language with a touch of humor. Next, add some context to your prompt. This means giving ChatGPT a bit of backstory or setting, which can help it generate more relatable and human-like responses. For example, you might say, imagine you're explaining this to a friend over coffee. Another great tip is to use examples within your prompts. If you're looking for a certain style, you can say something like, write this like a blog post that starts with a personal anecdote. This gives the model a clearer idea of what you're looking for. Also, remember to make your prompts as specific as possible. Instead of a generic request like, explain photosynthesis, you could say, explain photosynthesis in a fun and engaging way, as if you're teaching a 10-year-old. This specificity greatly influences the output. Lastly, don't hesitate to use the feedback feature. After receiving a response, you can instruct ChatGPT to tweak the output by saying things like, make this sound more enthusiastic, or add a personal touch. This iterative process helps refine the text to better meet your needs. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.